Yesterday we reached around 4 o'clock, and due to the GoPro battery running out, I couldn't end the vlog. So we are heading towards the sightseeing, the lake and the other places. We'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated whatever places I go and visit. Today there was some issue, like my GoPro ran out of battery, due to which I could not end the vlog. So yesterday I reached my property where we had booked the property for stay. It was around 4 p.m. in the evening. So guys, we are about to reach the Yercaud Viewpoint. Hello, good morning guys. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are in the day 2 of Yercaud visit. Yesterday we reached around 4 o'clock, and due to the GoPro battery running out, I couldn't end the vlog. So we are heading towards the sightseeing, the lake and the other places. We'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated whatever places I go and visit. Just now I cleaned the bike and I did the cold start of Yercaud visit. And yesterday there was some issue, like my GoPro ran out of battery, due to which I could not end the vlog. So yesterday I reached my property where we had booked the property for stay. It was around 4 p.m. in the evening, and after that I was a bit exhausted. I took a short nap, and then had dinner and explored the lake as well. But during night nothing was visible, it was fully dark. So today we'll be visiting some of the places which I'll be showing you guys, like some of the viewpoints and the lake. So I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, we are about to reach the Yercaud Viewpoint. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so very soon we'll be reaching, and I'll be showing you guys the view of that. The views on the side you can see is absolutely scenic, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful weather, bright sunny day. So we'll catch up once we reach there. Actually guys, this is not so big view. We have just this small area where you can climb a few stairs and you can watch the views. We have a little bit mist and fog this side. So let's see if we have a little bit visibility this side. Visible this side. So this was the viewpoint. But visibility is almost zero. So guys, you can see a little bit moving clouds, moving mist, fog, not sure what to call that. It's absolutely scenic and it's beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this view. So we'll keep you posted for the next viewpoints. So guys, just now we finished the viewpoint that I showed you, and we took a couple of pictures over there. And once you come out from the viewpoint, this is the way. Once you come down from here, the place where you'll be paying the entry ticket fees, they are going to charge you 20 rupees per person. So if you are traveling to 2 person or 4 person, accordingly they'll be charging 20 per head. So we stopped at a shop nearby here where you can take a halt for a few minutes to have something, and we ordered some snacks and a Maggie and a cup of tea. So we'll quickly finish this and we'll arrive to the next viewpoint and we'll show you whatever it is. So stay tuned. Welcome guys. So after coming from the viewpoint, we came back to the hotel. Okay guys, so just now we found out the restaurant and we came here for lunch. This is the hotel GBS Residency. In that only they have a multi-cuisine restaurant, and we ordered, you can see kadai paneer and jeera rice. So we'll quickly finish this and we'll get down on the street once again and we'll try to show you some locations. So guys, a quick update. We finished the lunch, and as soon as we were about to start for the leftover viewpoints that we are yet to cover, we are stuck in the rain now, and you can see there's a lake in front and it's raining quite a lot, in which I cannot vlog. So we are waiting for the rain to stop so that we can resume, because tomorrow I have to again leave back for Bangalore. Tomorrow around 11 o'clock we'll be checking out from the property and we'll be starting for Bangalore. So today is the only day I have to cover. It's already about 3:36 and it's going to be 4 p.m. very soon, and in another 2 hours by 6 p.m. it will be completely dark. So we don't have option, not sure what's gonna happen. Let's see. We'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so from here we need to take a right for the ladies' seat. This is some silk world, not sure what it is. Some looks like some garden or botanical garden, something like that. This is a rose garden. I think we have reached. There's the place called as Ladies' Seat. It's quite famous in Yercaud. So if you guys are coming this side, you can definitely come out to visit this place. Okay, we'll park the bike and we'll... This is the Ladies' Seat, which is so much famous in Yercaud. So we'll see how the view looks. Not sure if we will be able to cover more places also, because it's already quite late and the rain has disturbed the entire thing today. Oh my god, I mean, just look at the view, man. It's stunning. I can see it from my eyes. Not sure if the camera can do any justice. You guys can see the entire lot scene here. Try to see if we can get that. And we do have a telescope house for which they are charging around 10 rupees. So we'll first try to go with the free version, not the paid version, obviously. So here we have cute little monkeys. See. go for a different location right now. That's gonna be another viewpoint, so let's see if we can cover that. I saw somewhere a signboard for that, not sure where it was. I guess it was in this road only. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's the one I was talking about. This bird I saw this morning. So it's the Pagoda Viewpoint. Not sure how to pronounce that. It's 5 kilometers from here. So we'll see. Sir, Pagoda Point. Pagoda Viewpoint. Yeah. 2 kilometers. This one or this one? This one. We'll see how it is. The Pagoda Viewpoint. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct. The views are absolutely scenic. I mean, the roads, both the sides, the left and the right, you get to see beautiful jungle. Looks like you are driving or you're riding in between some jungles. But yeah, you have these warning boards all over the Yercaud city because it's situated on the top of the hill. So whenever you guys are riding on a hill or on a mountain road, make sure you be extra careful because the curves are really very sharp. Try to maintain your speed limit so that the bike or car, whichever you are riding, that will always be under your control. Once you exceed a certain speed limit, you start losing control over your vehicle. But if you are in under control speed or an average speed, you get to always control down the vehicle. So we are about to reach in another 2 to 3 kilometers. We'll see how the view looks like from that viewpoint. Stay tuned.